Welcome to another quick Bish review, where we get straight to the point, no fluff, just facts and a little sass. Today we're tackling travel organization with a lineup of bags that promise to keep your stuff in check. Let's go. Item number 1, Bag Smart Toiletry Bag. If you're still tossing your toiletries into a random pouch and hoping for the best, stop. The Bag Smart Travel Bag is a game changer. It's spacious, has 4 compartments, and a swivel hook, so you're not digging through the chaos in your hotel bathroom. The material, water resistant. The structure, solid. And the color options, plenty. This bag is popular for a reason. Would I use it? Absolutely. Item number 2, Bag Smart Silicone Organizing Cases. You know when your headphones, lip balm, and random cords vanish into the abyss of your bag? Yep, this fixes it. These silicone zippered pouches are lightweight and they're waterproof. Perfect for tiny essentials you're always digging for. Bonus, the strap doubles as a cable tie because ain't nobody got time for tangled wires. Item number 3, Pop Vibe Clear Makeup Bag Set. Some clear makeup bags look cheap, not these. The Saffiano Fox Leather gives high-end energy, and the gold hardware, chef's kiss. Comes in a set of 2. The big one's zipper was a little stiff, but the small one, flawless. If you like a bougie on a budget, this is a solid pick. Item number 4, Capacity Clear Makeup Bag. Ever rage search through your makeup bag for one tiny little thing? Same. This clear double compartment bag ends the madness. The PVC is thick, the zipper glides like butter, and the Saffiano leather accent keeps it looking chic. TSA approved, waterproof, it keeps you organized. This one's a winner. Item number 5, the Embla Clear Cosmetic Bags. Unlike the Pop Vibe set, these are softer with a canvas-like feel, meaning things inside are more likely to get squished. Bright white design with a gold zipper and round pull tab, really nice quality. Soft-sided so they don't hold their shape like structured bags. I got the sizes small and mini. Great for your purse and a weekender bag use. Final thoughts, I really like them. Just keep in mind they're soft makeup bags, not rigid organizers. And this is our last item. Item number 6, the Bag Smart Hanging Packing Cubes. I got size large. These packing cubes are a huge step up from the cheap mesh ones. The material feels high-end, durable, and structured. I got them in the color opal white, but there are multiple colors and set options. The large size is designed to hang, super convenient. It has a buckled handle so you can attach it to a wardrobe or a hook. Inside, one side has a big pocket for bulky clothes, jackets, pants, and sweaters. The other side has 6 zippered mesh pockets, perfect for socks, ties, or underwear. This set includes 1 large, 2 medium packing cubes, plus 1 shoe bag, 1 laundry bag. Great for family trips, cruises, and keeping your suitcase neat. If you love staying organized without wasting time, these are a solid pick. That's it for Quick Bish Reviews. If you liked it, hit subscribe because life's too short for bad buys. All the good stuff, links, socials, and more is in the caption. Catch you on the next one.